Hi guys, Paul here from Muscle Car UK and Pilgrim MotorSports. Here we've got 67 Coupe, fast and furious. This thing is very, very quick to say the least. It's been stepped all over the engine. I'll go into that when we get around there in a minute, but just have a look at it. It's sitting pretty high, which is the stance that they like in America, but we can always lower it as well should you wish that to be the point. But it's got a beautiful set of chrome wheels on it with the spinners, as you can see, with the BF Goodrich tyres. It's got the lovely little grey, metallic grey line through it, and the Le Mans stripe that you can see at the top. So it does give it certainly gives it a presence. People are going to see you in this car, that's for sure. You can't hide your light under a bushel. This one, you're in their face from the moment you get in it. The sound is amazing, the power is amazing. It really is something quite fast and exciting. But as you can see, all the bodywork's beautiful all the way through. The chrome's good. The rear lights are all good. The petrol cap's looking great. You see the huge exhaust coming out the back, and you'll hear late in a little while the sound they make is incredible. If we come back through this side, you can see all the bodywork and the paintwork is in really smooth and lovely condition. You've got a data tag on here as well, which is nice to see, but the truth is this has been changed so much from its original V8 version. But you can see it's got the race style interior, the race seats. You can notice that the shifter is a race type shifter, mainly built for the fast quarter mile, half mile stretches. But they've kept a lot of the originality though. They've still got the original clocks and dials in it. Nice wood rim steering wheel. All rev counter, so you can decide when to change gear should you wish to be going fast, and drop it into Santa Pod or something like that and really give it some. But let's have a quick look under the bonnet. I mean, if you're really interested in a fast and powerful car, this is one. I could go into all the detail about what it's had, but you can imagine the engine's all been done, TRW pistons, race cam, it's got Edelbrock heads, aluminium heads. It's got the long tube headers on the exhausts going down to make it as fast and performance as best. It's still got the good things though. It's still got a discs and power steering, which is there. So you've got power disc brake conversion. It's got a big alloy rad to keep it nice and cool. And yeah, I mean, if you are interested, when you come in, we've got some files which I'll show you shortly, which shows you everything, all the internals of the engine have been done to a high specification and a very high cost. So it's certainly something different, and it's great fun to drive. Yeah, we've got a big file on this car as well, showing all the work that's been done. As you can see, there's quite a few files that came back from America with the car that shows all the dyno prints outs, the parts that he's put in. It goes on and on and on. So, you know, even lists of stuff that he's put in to make sure everyone knows what this car's all about and how much has been spent on it. So I won't list everything because it'll take me forever, but if you're really interested and you know it's a good car, which it is, come down, have a look through the file and decide that this might be the one for you. So this car is a very powerful straight line speed car. You can still drive it normally because you've still got the automatic gearbox. Although it's a very fast shifting gearbox, you can still drive it as a normal car, power steering, etc, etc. But if you really want to go for it, it has it. It's got the rev counter here. You can select the revs you want to change gear. You can really tow it in well. This car is very, very fast, and it's something that you're going to enjoy driving. And whether you take it to a show, everyone, it's certainly got the wow factor. It is loud, it is proud, but sometimes it's what Mustang ownership's all about. But literally, put your foot down and you can really hear it kick. For example, hey, how about that? That's true. This does go, this thing. It really does. It's great fun. Puts a smile on my face anyway, so that's a good news.